Fun.
Friendship.
Upbeat. Cheerful. Catchy.
Energetic.
Passionate.
Summery.
Memorable.
So it's been really fun throughout the entire progress, from the first sit-down session, mind mapping all the different themes that we wanted to explore, all the way up to recording in the studio with Nick and recording the music video as well. It's been really fun to explore the different themes, but I think the one about summer and friendship really stuck out to us, you know, since it is the summer. When we recorded all this, we thought it'd be a really catchy tune for everyone to enjoy, from toddlers all the way up to the elderly. I think this is a song that everyone can relate to, you know, being young and free in the summer, driving your cars with all your friends. It's been really fun as well, writing with everyone and seeing their ideas come to life, and it's been really, really fun with everyone and the process.
Okay, so it's really, really nice to meet a group of kids who just work so hard to produce something so special. So in the space of a couple of weeks, they've managed to not only write their own lyrics, but they've also created their own tunes, their own harmonies, everything, even down to the music video. Considering they're all between the ages of sort of 16 and 24, for that bracket to be able to come up with something so professional is quite extraordinary, really. And I personally couldn't be prouder of them. And I know that whenever anyone hears this song, you'll think it's a bop and you'll really enjoy it and want to sing along. Yeah.
It's been a great project to be involved with, getting the funding to do this and putting it together with a great group of people from Kidz R Us. It's been great fun. It's a lot of work to get done in a short space of time, but they've really kind of risen to the challenge, come up with some great lyrics, great song. The video's starting to take shape. So we've just finished a day of recording now, so all the bits are recorded, the music, the lyrics. I've got a few sleepless nights editing now, but yeah, we're at that stage, and then the video comes together, and then we're going to be working on the promotion, putting a campaign together, doing a few workshops on how we approach that, and then we'll get it released on all digital platforms, and hopefully we'll get some traction with it, and we'll get some nice kind of views and streams at the end of it to justify all the hard work that's gone into it from this group. It's been brilliant working with them. They've been really fast, they've been really on it, they've all learned their parts, they've come up with some great ideas, and it's been great fun start to finish. So yeah, an actual summer of fun.